Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It has been really painful last few days, especially for the people living in the uh, Palestinian territory. Some of the Israelis, Palestinians, and Arabs living there have had a very tough few days. There is a war going on, and there are war crimes being committed. Recently, I heard a news about a hospital being bombed, uh, which is not acceptable at all cost. There are more than 800 deaths in that hospital. Being a doctor, I feel the pain. Hospital is one place where the injured and uh, all the affected people of war, even from both sides, they go to the hospital for healing purpose. And this is very, I think, traumatizing. And I've seen pictures, footages of children lying on the stretcher, their dead bodies. It is quite, innocent lives are being wasted just for occupation of land and occupation of conflict of land. And I don't know what the main problem is, because I'm not a well educated man as far as war and history of that area is concerned. But being a doctor, it is very painful for me, and I have prayers for all the affected people. And I just wish this conflict is over as soon as possible, and all the people can live in peace. Amen. Thank you.